So just a very short video on the 5000 material add-on. This building here on the right is what we created on the live stream the other night. Let's just throw some textures on it and see how it looks. Now it is a pretty big library straight into the asset browser. So for instance, let's go into concrete. I do like the fact that there's plaster material in the concrete, but I wouldn't mind maybe, concrete dirty, if we throw that on there. Obviously that is completely stuffed, so if we go tab into edit mode, select everything with A, U. I'm just going to go cubic projection. How's that looking? It's actually not too shabby. Maybe we do, let's try this one as well. So as you can see, it's very much just click and drag, put in the right place. And I mean, there is a whole bunch to choose from. I think we might just keep that one for now. And we can copy and paste it. We can click and drag it all into all our other pieces. Cubic unwrap, or cubic projection, sorry. But the one thing that makes me happy about this is it is literally just texture based. There's no PBR shaders, which means that when you go ahead and go to export this to NVIDIA Omniverse, Unreal Engine, screw you, Unity, there is no like material setup that's going to be required, which I think is brilliant. I really love texture packs like this. For these things up here, let's throw, I do want to go back into the materials. Let's put concrete onto there, not that one. Nice, and then I kind of maybe want some metal paneling on this one. And we do have a pretty good list of materials. The blue diamond looks pretty cool. I mean, we can go maybe like a dirty yellow. Whoops. Select all that. U, cubic projection. That's interesting. Just jump over into shading. I think I might reduce the scale. Let's go 1. Nope. Let's go 5. And it is going to be a little bit more repeating. That's fine. But that does work out. So we've got obviously bricks, concrete, fabric. Ooh, black fur. Interesting. Whole bunch of foods. Various ground textures. Rocking some marble. Metal we've looked at. Some interesting plastics. Ooh, that one's interesting. Just some randoms. Got some interesting rock materials. What does that look just for funsies? Interesting. Look at that one. Yeah, obviously the scale's blown out, but whatevs. Lava. Bunch of tiling. What's that one? Black concrete. Ooh, that's interesting. Good old-fashioned wood materials. And then other. Let's just call it at the rate silver. Sure. Ooh, abandoned warehouse factory. Interesting. But anyway, there's a link in the description. Go check it out. And yeah, like and subscribe. Oh, cobalt coins.